If you've ever admired an expert's personal brand from afar, I can promise you that they have had a team to help them lift it behind the scenes. They might look like the charismatic leader that was magically able to break through the noise and earn disproportionate accolades, but it's far more likely that they hired the right marketing or PR strategist and support staff to help them earn that recognition. So if you've ever felt discouraged that your intellectual property wasn't breaking through the noise when you know it's good and truly helps people, don't despair. It probably has almost nothing to do with you or how effectively you help people, and everything to do with how strategically you are at finding and leveraging support. Now you might be wondering, why? Why can't my work just speak for itself? I could give you the tactical answer that even a few lucky viral videos won't magically turn into the brand you envision. But the real underlying reason lies in the chemical makeup of visionizers. That's you. You're meant to envision what's next, not to do the work to actualize it. Sure, you probably can post to social media, run human resources on your team, respond to emails, organize your calendar, blah, 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 blah. But should you? When you have $1,000 per hour kind of mind, why are you spending your time on $10 per hour tasks? Many visionizers I've worked with have been so used to putting in the hard work to lift their brand that they don't realize how inefficient they're being by trying to do everything themselves. If you want your vision to have a shot in hell at being actualized, you're going to need effective, autonomous, strategic support, period. The challenge is that setting up and running a team, even a small one, is a whole new skill set that can become a whole new time drain, preventing you from focusing on the tasks you're meant to be focused on. And a strong personal brand isn't just about individual recognition, but it can also be a powerful tool for building your dream team for your business. But why should you care about personal branding for creating your dream team? Well, let me tell you, a strong personal brand can open up doors you never even knew existed. Your personal brand acts as a beacon that attracts individuals who resonate with your values and your vision. And when your personal brand is well-defined and consistent, it naturally draws people who share your passion and goals. And this alignment is crucial for building a dream team that's not only skilled, but also shares your dedication and enthusiasm to your business. Building your dream personal brand will require you leveraging strategic support to get the word out. Your personal brand is the bridge that connects your future opportunities and clients or customers to you. But it's not just about you. It's about creating a collective force that propels your business forward. So as you embark on this journey of bringing your message to the masses, remember you're not meant to do it by yourself. You get to have the support that makes it possible. And that's a wrap on today's video. Remember, this YouTube channel is all about helping entrepreneurs and CEOs understand how to easily transform their team into a unicorn team. If you want to better understand the overarching idea of building a unicorn team yourself, check out this video here. And if you found value in this content, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button below so we can get this video in front of more CEOs like us who need help growing our unicorn teams. Be sure to also hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you're notified when new content is released. I'm Jen Kem, here to help you get the right messaging and team support to build the wealth, power, and leadership you are meant to bring to the world. Until next time.